Welcome guys to the video. Today we're gonna talk about a project which I'm extremely bullish on, and we're gonna talk about, of course, about OGN. So OGN stands for Origin Protocol. First of all, let's look at the website. The goal of OGN is to change the world of NFTs, and also to make they also have DeFi project where you can earn up to 8% from their stablecoin. So yeah, but let's look at the project. So the goal is to connect the seller from an NFT, so the producer, the artist, and the fans of the people that want to buy this project. So in order to do that, their software will be purchased on the site from the founder. So for example, an artist can sell their NFTs on his own site, on his own website, and with their software he can sell his art from his own website. So he doesn't have to go to OpenSea, he doesn't have to go to any other like big NFT exchange and has to pay 20% fees. The fees are very low, extremely low at Origin Protocol, so it's also a better fan experience, because the fans probably like to buy it more on the side of their artist, of the top creator. And also even Logan Paul is already involved in this, if you know Logan Paul. So we see here also, not Logan Paul, I'm sorry, his brother, what's Jake Paul exactly. Sorry guys. So here also the Jake Paul, he is also already sold his NFT here. We can see here Origin excited to announce launch of Jake Paul first ever boxing temp NFT drop on industry leading Instagram, YouTube. So we see also already big stars are selling here in their NFTs on Origin. So this is definitely something that keeps me bullish, because the technology is great. I mean, already has adoption from big stars, and I mean, if you look at the team, I mean, let's look at the team, guys. So here we can see, sorry, it's all in German, so you can't understand, but we can just take a look at the founder. He is one of the founders. He was before one of the founders of PayPal, also one of the early employees of YouTube. So we have people from all over Silicon Valley. If we go more down, I mean, this is also partners, not just oil. Let's go to products. So here you can see all the products. So you can earn here up to 8% with their stablecoin. So they also have their own how to say own DeFi ecosystem. And yeah, let's look at their image film. I mean, it's amazing.
Origin, I was the co-founding engineer of PayPal and the first engineer of YouTube. I knew Matt from the early days of YouTube, and he told me about the idea of him wanting to create smart contracts for the sharing economy. It really spoke to me.
The most interesting thing about working in blockchain is that it's such a young industry, and there's so much opportunity to shape the future of what it will look like. Solving the user experience is something that no one has even really scratched the surface on.
Origin is a platform which allows our partners to build on top. Really, it's up to us to figure out what are the best use cases for the blockchain and how we can really help users take full advantage of this new technology.
Origin has a really different vision for the future of sharing economies, one in which I think users are not taken advantage of and their privacy is not compromised.
What I love most about working at Origin is really the mission, really trying to do something new that hasn't been done before. Origin has a great culture, you know, very inclusive, trying to get everyone involved.
All right, guys, I mean, you can look the full video up on their website. Just want to give you a little bit insights how the team is looking, what kind of people are working there. So I mean, if you look at the team, they're really driven. I mean, they're from Silicon Valley, a lot of people from Silicon Valley. So here you can see he is from PayPal. He's one of the founders of PayPal and one of the first employees at Google. So I mean, we have here really people that have a lot of skills and that have the capability to really make a change. So yeah, let's look at the OGN price, which is the least interesting about this, but I mean, we also want to look where we are right now. So if we look at the charts, we see we are also a lot away from the all-time high. All-time high were at €2.60, I believe, and right now we are at 60 cents. So if we get up to the all-time high, that would be also a few 100%. So that's pretty bullish also. And where you can buy it, you can buy it on Binance, also on KuCoin. So if you want to buy it on Binance and you don't have a Binance account yet, just use my link down below. You will get 10% less fees. Yeah, also I can give you my referral to KuCoin, then you can also get some bonuses. Yes, exactly. So if we look at the market cap, we are right now at 200 million. So the actual market cap is 600 million. So we are still quite low. So yeah, I would say this is a good time to buy. Also, if we look here, we were here at the lowest low, and then we had a huge breakout. So from 204, I believe, to now we are at around 6. So we had almost a triple, like more than 100% rise in around 3 weeks. So this is pretty impressive. Less than 3 weeks, in around 2 weeks. So I mean, this is pretty impressive. And yeah, check definitely the website out and make more research on this. But I mean, the idea is great because I think the NFT industry is going to change. People will not be willing to pay 20% fees on their NFTs and on the transactions. So we will definitely see a shift into more projects like this, where people are getting empowered and they don't have to pay a lot of fees, and they can they can sell their NFTs on their own website. So we can connect the artists and the fans better together. So yeah, I think this is great. So yeah, I mean, that's it for today. I hope you guys will all have a good day today. And yeah, I see you in the next video. I mean, check this out. I'm extremely bullish on it. And yeah, if you want to bet on it, use my link down below. And I see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.